Hello, hello. What's up, everyone? So I haven't posted a video in quite a while because I've just been busy. So today I decided to just go live, instead of trying to post these recaps. I'm just gonna go live. So let's see what's gonna happen today. So if we look at the market right now, the QQQs and the SPY, definitely very bearish. But the problem is that yesterday it was a very large candle. So candles usually overlap one another, right, before going down or continuing in a certain direction. But it is quite nice that it broke out this channel between 350 and 338 around. So with volume on top of that, so there's a chance there's a continuation on the downside. And if you look at the larger time frame, right, it's still a lower high right here, so lower lows. So this could be definitely a continuation downside today. So I'm pretty short bias, but the only thing is that I'm not sure if it's going to be open range breakdown or is it going to pop up and then catch a short, at a higher price level. That's the general idea for all the stocks today. So if you look at Apple, very nice bearish candle yesterday. So I'm short bias on Apple. DAL, nice shooting star candle. So definitely short bias on DAL. Uh, Delta Airline, I actually have a swing short on this right now. But swing shorts I usually have like larger stops. So we'll see how that goes. Part of swing short, I'll probably gonna give it all the way up to like 45.30 or something like that before I get out of that trade. So let's see. Lucid, yeah, Lucid looks like very bearish as well. So I'm pretty much bearish on everything right now. So let's see how it goes, guys. The problem is, again, like I said, it's a very large bearish candle. So candles usually like to overlap. So I'm not sure, is it gonna squeeze a little bit in the morning before continuing downward, or is it gonna go straight down? So let's see how it goes, right? So let's see what I'm gonna have a look on. I like actually Nikola bearish as well. You see, it's trying to break out of this channel. So I'm actually very bearish on Nikola today. So I'm gonna keep Nikola on one screen and probably Lucid on the other. So Lucid and Nikola on the screen right now. The ladder for Nikola is very bearish. So I'm actually just gonna go in right now, set an order for a short if it gets anywhere close to 750. So let's see right now. I'm gonna give it a shot. The only thing, like I said, I'm worried about. So I'm willing to risk 1R on this play, but like I said, I might lose this 1R because it might be like a little morning squeeze, right? But I like the level is breaking out through this channel over here, even on the lower time frame. So this channel over here is kind of breaking out through that. Nice rejection candle on the 5-minute. So let's see. So the market is open now. Let's see how that goes. It's not okay. It just got me filled for Nikola. Let's see how it goes. So nice bearish ladder. Some big bids at 736. See if it wants to get there. So it seems like it wants to squeeze. I might have to get out of this one and reevaluate. So I just covered this one because the market seems to want to squeeze. So that's maybe a half hour loss or something like that. Because at the corner of my eyes, I see the whole market squeezing up right now. So this might be a type of day where I'm gonna get it like at the top, short at the top. So let's see. DAL is reaching some interesting level right here. So let's see DAL over here. If I see some rejection over here, I might go short. Pre-market high. You know what? I'm going to give it a short right now on DAL. See if the market wants to come back in. So it's hitting this R3 level, pre-market high. I'm seeing some rejection. So let's see. Let's see if it wants to come back down to maybe this level over here. Let's give it a chance. So NKLA just came back in, so I might go short again, NKLA. So I just shorted NKLA again, breaking through yesterday's low with a nice engulfing candle. So DAL is going down, so my first target is around over here, maybe 44 something. See if it wants to get there. I'm managing as well the trade of NKLA on the other screen right now. So that's going okay. It's just kind of hovering around. Actually, NKLA has very low volume right now. So I don't like this DAL trade right anymore because I was expecting a bigger flush. So I'm going to get out of this trade. Just give it a little bit more time. Just give it a little bit more time. I don't like these big bids over here. It's 45. Just want to give it a little bit more time.
Last equals 167.42.
Just giving it a little bit more time. I got stopped out at NKLA again. So that's down to R. I might just cover this one right now. Yeah, I don't like the price action. So I just covered this over here. Let's see if it breaks below this level. I might re-enter. So if it breaks below this candle over here now. See, I knew it was hovering there for too long. So I covered it. This is a probably very small win. So right now I'm only down 2R, so that's okay. Very small red day so far. So it just calmed down a bit.
Last equals 45.21.
Just calm down a bit. See if there's any nice trades to be made. So TSM is heading towards the very interesting level, but I don't like the fact that it went kind of like a fake breakdown. So I don't like fake breakdowns. So let's see how DAL reacts around this R3 level. I like the potential short on DAL actually. I still like it. I might give this one a try again. See now if it wants to come back below this level. Alright, so I just went short again DAL. Seems like this R3 is holding pretty well. Let's see how it goes. Little increase in volume. That's nice. That's some nice rejection over there. I don't like those big bids though. 45.33. I might have to get out again. These big ass are. Wait a minute. Okay, they're pairing off. Okay, with a 44.90 bid. So we have to see. There we go. There we go. There's the flush that I was looking for. So now I'm probably up 2R on this one, just visually. Let's see if it wants to go down a little bit more. Okay, that was quickly came back up, showing just so much strength. Yeah, too much strength, too much strength. So another break even. No harm done over here. No harm done. I might have to re-enter if the volume is good. Let's see. See, it's going up with a lot of volume. Now if there's a rejection, I might get back into this one. So it's not able to punch through with a lot of volume. So that's a lot of volume and it's unable to punch through just right now. So I'm going to give it a shot if it wants to come back down again, because this was a lot of volume and it's unable to punch through right now. So let's see if there's an R3 rejection over here. If it punched through, then it punched through, but my stop is over here anyway, so it's all good. Okay, it decided to punch through. Alright, well managed. This trade was well managed. No biggie. No biggie, no biggie, no biggie. Okay. That's a nice 3-bar play on Apple. Gonna go short on Apple right here. See if the Qs want to come back in. Let's see how the Qs. Okay, so the Qs are coming back in right now. Oh, I just skipped my order. Because I go in with limit orders and now I just skip my order. Oh no, I got in. Alright. Let's see if the Qs want to go down. This one actually I might add to this position. Let's say DAL. I still want to short this sucker over here. So I'm in short Apple right now. It's very wicky. Okay, I didn't like that candle in Apple, so I might have to get out Apple right now. Let's see, give it a little bit more time. Okay, but I'm going short DAL right now. That was a nice rejection off R3, so I'm going for a short again. See if third time's the charm. So I'm in Apple and I'm in short DAL, I'm in short Apple right now. This was what I was worried about. Like, the market was extremely bearish yesterday. I wasn't sure it was gonna pop in the morning before dumping, or was it gonna dump right off the open, right? So now it's deciding to dump. There we go. So I'm probably up 2R right now, but I'm gonna hold this and see where it goes, because I'm expecting a red day on DAL right now. See, I'm expecting a red day. I'm up 1R on Apple right now. I don't know if I want to cover some. Yeah, so I just covered some on Apple. I'm going to show you right here. So just cover some on Apple. See if it wants to break this and continue lower. But this is a key level. This previous day closed. So I wasn't sure if it's going to bounce off this level. So in case it bounced off this level, I brought my stuff back to break even. If it breaks it, it breaks it. So let's see where it goes right now. I'm just thinking, should I do the same for DAL right now? But DAL, I really expect it to be a red day. So you know what? I might bring this back to break even. So if it's break even, it's break even. So that's 3 break even. No harm, no foul. but I am expecting this one to be a red day, so I'm just gonna hold it. Based on the daily, I'm expecting a red day. So if I get stop out at break even, I'll probably look for another re-enter. Good thing Apple is continuing towards the downside. So I still got a large chunk left with Apple for this move downward. That's no biggie right now. So right now I'm probably down only 1R or something like that. So no big deal. If I covered some, I probably would have been break even, but I decided to let this one go. Because I'm expecting a flush, so let's see. See, if it stops me up, it stops me up. It's break even, right? I'll just look to re-enter. So there's no harm, no foul so far. If you look at the 5-minute, that's a bullish engulfing candle right here. So you see the bullish candle right here. It got completely engulfed with the 5-minute bearish candle right now. So that's a clear sign of weakness in the stock. So let's just see. I mean, no harm, no foul right now. So I still got my Apple, I still got my DAL. Right now, I see Tesla at the corner of my eye just crumbling. So market, yes, there you go. DAL is finally coming back down. I could cover some right now, but I'm just gonna let it go. I think the market is weak, so I'm gonna let it go. Alright, let's go Apple. Apple just broke through. I can take another piece over here, maybe. You know what? No, I'm not gonna let. Based on the daily, you see the daily over here. I'm expecting it to break this low. So just let it go. I'm just gonna let it go. I probably should have added to this position actually. What's my target on this guy anyways? 164.50 around. 164.50. I'm just gonna put a target out there. You know what? So 166.84 is my stop. And 164.50 is my target. Right? So obviously in my old days I would have covered some over here because this previous day low. But now based on the daily, I'm expecting it to break through this low, right? So that's the idea over here. So let's see how it goes. So DAL finally started crumbling as well. So yeah, I fully expect this to be a red day. So I'm just gonna hold this. Probably cover some at 44.31. Let's see if it wants to get down there. 44.31. So I see some large bids coming up. So large bids. So if I close everything now, I'll probably be pretty green. But I decide now to try to hold some for potentially larger move. So let's see how it goes. I guess if it struggles too much, it'll be smart to kind of get off some over here. Okay, so you see that with a large volume, I'm just gonna cover some over here, and the reason is because it came down to this previous day close level. It had high volume, so I covered some over there. But that's a nice win over there. From here to here, that's at least a 2R. So I'm bank at least 1R over here. So I'm probably break even today right now. But I still have Apple, and I still got Apple. So you see, if I covered here, I probably could have been easily positive today. But that's the idea, right? Let your winners run, right? See how it goes. See how it goes. Yeah, everything still looks very bearish, so I'm just gonna keep everything as is. So DAL is finally crumbling down. I might add to this position. I'm gonna add to this position right now. Let's see the 5-minute 3 red candles. I don't crazy about the 3 red candles, but I think it's worth an add. It's pretty nice ABCD pattern over there. So if it breaks below this level right here, I'm gonna add to my position. Actually, ideally this candle, 5-minute candle, stays green, and then the next candle comes down. So I wouldn't mind this candle being green right now. Kind of relieve the pressure first before continuing downward. Yeah, Apple is still going. Apple is still going. Is Apple an ad actually? Might be an interesting ad right now. Yeah, volume is a little too high, the green candle, for an ad. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, that's a nice candle over there. Nice indecision candle. So if it does break lower, there's a chance that it might really break lower. So we'll see how it goes. So that's a nice green candle. Gives me more confidence that if it breaks this pre-market low, previous day close, that it has a chance to continue going down. Because there's some pressure relief. Not too high the volume. So engulfing, nice shooting star candle, low volume green candle. This candle, if it breaks, there's a good chance that it'll go down. So right now, yeah, I got stop out at Apple. So this is probably like half R win only, and half R win. See if DAL wants to go down. The SPY and the Qs are jumping right now, so that's not good for my short position, that is. Let's see. Could be just an ABCD pattern. Could be just an ABCD pattern. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, right. So Lucid just have a very nice. So I'm gonna go short Lucid right now. That's a very nice pattern. Let's see DAL. Okay, DAL just got me in. Okay, let me manage DAL as well. Okay, so I just re-added for my short over here. So it came down with pretty high volume. Let's see right here. I didn't like the ad. I wasn't here. I should have put my ad a little bit lower. I might have to get out of this one. So yeah, that was probably a half hour loss or half hour win. It's probably break even right now. I am still considering an ad. If it does come back down, I am considering an ad. So I'm just looking for an ad right over here at DAL. I have Lucid at the corner of my eyes. I'm not sure if I made a mistake on Lucid, because this was an indecision candle. So that's what I'm looking at right now, because this is the indecision candle. So this might be a mistake right here. I should get off for a half an hour loss maybe. But I'm gonna give it a chance actually. Yeah, I don't like it. So that was just I got out of this trade because I saw this indecision candle actually. So this could be a reverse ABCD pattern. So we'll see. I don't like it. So far I'm down 1R. No big deal right here. So made some on Apple. Break even in DAL. Down 2R. So I'm down. Yeah, just a little 2R right now. No biggie. No biggie. Oh, there we go. That's the break that I was looking for. That's the break that I was looking for. Yeah. So that's I'm happy with this entry. So this will probably be my last trade. So whatever this trade ends up, it ends up whatever it is. It is whatever it is. This one. So I'm down. I'm down around 1R. So if this is a 2R or 3R winner, I'll be positive. If not, I'll be down 2R. So pretty simple day. Simple trade. If the market wants to come in, I have a chance. It's not breaking it with huge volume. It's breaking it, but it's not. It's breaking the previous day close, but it's not breaking with convincing convincing volume. But either way, whatever happens, happens. Oh, there you go. There's a break with some volume. Okay, that's a break of higher volume in the green candle. See if there's any continuation. There you go. This ad, I should have had a higher stop. Yeah. It's all good, all good. That was a very bad candle. But I already made up my mind, this is my last trade, so either I'm minus 2R or it's gonna be 2-3R winner. So whatever happens, happens. So I'm just watching DAL right now. It's like watching paint dry. But it's gonna be my last trade, so whatever happens, happens. So where I'm gonna give this to? I'm gonna give this to 44.31 and potentially even a swing. So let's see. I'm definitely gonna take out a portion at 44.31 if it gets there, and then I'm probably gonna leave a large portion for a swing short if it does get there. I'm not sure if it's gonna get there, so we'll see. It's gonna be my last trade anyways, so. Looks like the market is bouncing right now. That's good for all my long-term holdings. Yeah, that's high volume. So I'm just gonna get out of this trade and probably be negative 1.5 R. If I get out now, let's just have a look at some other stocks right now, cause god damn, it's boring looking at that. So Twitter is exploding towards the upside. That's nice. I was long biased on Twitter, but Twitter is a very choppy stock, right? So it's very hard to trade this one. It's actually looking like a reversal right now. High volume doji candle, could be coming back down, hitting this R4 level. So let's see where that goes. DL, still watching paint dry. Zoom. Oh, my swing just got triggered. Okay, so I lost 1 hour over here on the swing. TSM. Yeah, this is so choppy. No go here. T-Doc, so choppy. Snap is going up. Very, very strong volume. It's very choppy though. Seems like it doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. NKLA, yeah, this was my 2R loss over here. So I went for the breakdown. Never broke down, it just chopped around. Neo just went straight to the moon. Lucid. FUTU. Watching paint dry over here. Apple looks like a nice short again. I'll give this a try. Middle of the range. Break of low. Spies and the Qs are going down. So only thing I have left right now is DAL and Apple, which I just entered. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. I think I'm gonna end the stream right now. So the only two position I have left is Apple short and DAL short. So it's either a -3R a day or some kind of winner, depending on how these two stocks are gonna go. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.